Hello everyone. What is customer centricity? It is nothing but customer obsession, monitoring the needs, likes and dislike of your customers and recommending suggestions to create a better customer experience. A customer first approach provides a positive experience and also helps in maintaining a long-lasting business relationship. In this video, let us hear about one of our diesel genset partners, Mr. Satish Kasera, who shares a long association with Jackson Group and speaks about how their relationship has grown over the years into a strong bond.
Good morning. I am Satish Kasera representing Keshri & Company, Assam. I am part of the Kasera family of Upper Assam with core business of tea manufacturing. Keshri & Company is a distribution house for industrial products dealing in Jackson Cummins DG sets, authorized distributor for Ador welding, KEI wires and cables, Dunlop conveyor belts, Power Star transformers and AVRs, epoxy floorings in the Northeast. Our association with Jackson dates back to 2004, and I believe we are one of the oldest dealers of Jackson. A relationship this long requires trust and belief in one another. This has been a journey with many ups and downs. Together, we have achieved many milestones and we continue to do so. During our association with Jackson thus far, we have never felt to be an outsider. We always felt as their business partner. The core purpose of Jackson is be a trusted partner for people and society and improve quality of life by providing sustainable solutions. Build strong relationship with customers by being a trusted partner. Improve quality of life of people and positively impact society. Undertake sustainable growth by building world-class infrastructure. We see these values in practice every day by each member of the Jackson family, from top management to the person at the bottom of the pyramid. Even we as dealers are encouraged to do so. When we started in Northeast, customers were wary to pay advance to a Delhi-based company. But over a period of time, Jackson is the most reputed and trusted brand in the industry. During my association with Jackson, I have mostly interacted with Mr. Samir Gupta ji. He is a visionary and a humble person. I have been learning from him to think ahead of times, to be patient, humble and yet aggressive. Jackson has now ventured into solar, EPC, hospitality and education. I wish them the very best and I am sure it would become the leader in these fields as well. I hope that our relationship with Jackson continues to grow and we achieve more milestones together. All the best and thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words, and we look forward for a fruitful relationship in the years to come.